31. So which of following must closely represent a graphical solution of differential equation dy over dx? Okay, so we have this kind of solutions. So all we need to know is when y goes to infinity, then dy over dx should blows up, and y go to negative minus y, dy over dx is the same. Also, when y equals to 0, dy over dx is 1. Okay, so let's see which one could be the correct. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, so for this one, dy over dx is 1 at y equals to 0, and also it blows up when y goes increases. So A should be a choice. Let me see B. So for B, you see that this is 0, so this is wrong, false, because that dy over dx is 1 plus y squared. So when y equals 0, then it should be 1. So this is not correct, because because you see the y is non-zero, but the derivative is the tangent, the derivative is flat. So when y non equals 0, then the dy over dx for any y, dy over dx is 1 plus y to the 4th. So this cannot be 0, and also this is also wrong, right? You see, because none of any point should have derivative 0. And for this one, I already said that the dy over dx should be it should be the same when y goes to negative y. So you say that you can say that when y goes to negative infinity, dy over dx should blows up, but the d is still plus flat, so d is wrong. Also E, okay, you see there's a still flat, so E is also wrong. Okay, so simple enough. That's it.